You use it if you want to, you don't want to use it, you don't use it. Lights, camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Beauty Stuff. Today I have Aishwarya with me.
Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya. I'm a beauty advisor at SSBeauty.
And I'm Resham. I think you guys already know me from Beauty
She's
Stuff.
famous. So today we have a very special video for you guys. We're gonna do the spin the wheel makeup challenge. In this challenge, there are multiple looks on a wheel. I'm gonna spin the wheel for Resham. She's gonna spin the wheel for me. And we're gonna each pick a makeup look for each other. And whatever we get, we have to do the video. I'm gonna pick one look for Resham. So let's go. Yeah. So Resham got latte makeup look.
Oh, yeah.
And now Resham is gonna spin the wheel for me. Okay, spin it. I hope I get an easy makeup look. And I got soft romantic makeup. So soft romantic makeup look means you basically do like very light, very romantic makeup, like a lot of like pink tones, red tones. So yeah.
Today I am going to do the latte makeup look, which is basically like coffee inspired tones where they're like browns and nudes and like all the pretty colors that everybody loves wearing. So let's get started.
I'm gonna put these cute duck lips on my hair so that I can keep my hair out of my face. Looks cute, no?
I'm do my makeup.
I'm gonna start with this Stars Luxury 24K Gold Radiance. It's basically like a face serum-ish and like gonna act like a primer. So yeah, it's very nice.
Pink soil.
Yeah.
To glow like gold.
Yes.
My eyes hurt from looking straight.
I really like how the product makes my skin look very glowing and very golden.
It smells nice. I can smell it.
Yeah, it's perfect for a romantic, dewy kind of a makeup look. So I'm excited.
So I'm starting with my NARS Laguna bronzing cream because I like cream bronzers and it also looks like coffee, right? And obviously, I think you guys all know that NARS is available at Shoppers Stop. And the second it came out, I was like waiting to like restock my bronzer because I love cream products. Okay, my next product is the new MAC Studio Radiance Foundation. I think again, everyone's seen it because I love it. It looks so glowy, makes your skin look like your skin. And
Also
like,
perfect for winter.
Oh yeah, that's also true. If you have drier skin, this is like the perfect foundation to like try out for the season.
The K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm in the shade 120 Violet Light. It's very lightweight and it's hydrating, perfect for winters. If I use like a matte foundation during winters, it starts cracking around my nose or around my lips. So I'm gonna first dot the foundation all over my face and then I'm gonna blend it with a brush. Are you a brush person or are you a blender person, like a sponge person?
I'm a hands person.
Really?
For my foundation, for sure.
I really like using brushes. I know a lot of people find that your foundation can look thoda patchy because of the brushes, but I really like using a brush. My next step is concealer. I have Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I really like this concealer. It is my holy grail. So I'm blending my concealer with a concealer brush. Again, I'm like a total brush person. I think my base is that. I do look romantic,
It
right?
looks good, yeah.
I do look romantic.
You just did your base. Where's the
I know,
romanticness?
but I
It
think
has
it's
to be
just
like
me.
blushy, and then it
Yeah,
has
I
to
know.
be like winky.
I guess
like
the
flirty.
romantic was inside me all this time. अभी मेरे पास ब्लश है क्या देखना पड़ेगा.
I'm going in with my third bronzer of the day. This is the K-Beauty one. It's called Beige Focus. I'm pretty sure it's a bronzer. I remember
She
buying
looks
it
like
as
a cup of coffee, so yeah, it's working. You know, this is what I love about getting ready. I love doing my
A
makeup
little
with
bit
my
of music on.
with my girlfriends and then chit chatting, gossiping. I love it. But you know what it's missing right now?
My favorite thing ever.
Food. Let's order some food.
I need a snacky before we
Yes.
go outside.
Our food is here. I have pea fries.
Our regular fries. Girly thing, finger out.
Cheers.
I don't want your chili on me.
So for my next step, I have blush, and the blush I'm using today is K-Beauty's blush in the shade Tickle Peg. Now this is the perfect blush for a romantic makeup look. I mean, look at the shade.
It is very pretty. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix powder just to like set my under eyes.
I really like this one.
I don't use it like all over my face or like set my whole base because I like that dewiness to like stay. And if you use like a little bit of product, then you can like make sure that everything stays in place and like that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna show you my product because I use it way too much, but it is the Bobbi Brown Cream blush. It looks very pretty when you buy it.
These are her favorites. This is mine. The OG, I really like it. The Colossal Mascara, I really
nice,
like
yeah.
it. Yeah. I guess you.
But this is their best. I'm sorry, guys. Like Lash Sensational is
No.
like the best mascara.
This
on
one is the
planet.
best.
Sure, you look really cute.
I know that. I look
But like my
blushy,
favorite
blushy.
product is missing.
What?
Bronzer!
Thank you. So I don't need like a lot of bronzer. I'm just gonna add like slight warmth to my face. Yeah,
I don't
think
know if you
that's
can
about it.
tell that there's blush on my face, but I put blush on my face just now.
Oh yeah.
But I'm doing latte makeup.
Yeah, yeah, it
so
makes
I
sense.
need
You don't
minimal
need-
blush
yeah.
and anyways, like,
I'm just contouring my jawline because the double chin is there forever.
So I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Global Glow. This is absolutely my favorite. No, it bounces out. You can't actually do it, look.
Really? I
Ooh,
look so
blinding
good.
highlight. And you're like cutting out a step, you guys. You don't need a brush for it. You don't need your fingers for it. You won't get glitter everywhere.
You know, I don't like it, but it makes sense. And I'm using Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. I really like it. Excuse me. I like to take a bath in setting spray. Okay, I'll use that one.
Pretty.
So for my next step, I'm gonna use this Color Bars eyebrow pencil. I don't wanna like draw them on right now because I need them to look very soft, very romantic. Okay. So for my next and my last step, I have a lipstick by K Beauty. This is in the shade Rehearsal. It's a creamy matte lipstick and perfect for this makeup look, the soft romantic makeup look. So yeah, I'm gonna put it on now.
So I have a bunch of latte colored lipsticks for myself that I'm gonna mix. This is Caramel from Stay With Me, Renee. This is Goddess from My Glam. This is Spice Lip Liner from MAC. And this is Hype Lip Liner by K Beauty.
Because I just wanted to sing the Inky Pinky Ponky song which is trending right now. Do you know?
You can still do it. No, I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Inky Pinky Ponky.
Is it done? Like, should I leave it here or should I put this lipstick on?
I think we should leave it here because I really like the shade on its own.
I put it on anyways, you guys. But I'm gonna put a lip gloss on top of it. I use my gummy bear lip balm because it smells delicious and makes everything
does.
else delicious. So actually it's not a lip gloss. I think everybody knows this. It's a lip balm. But I like to put lip balms on top of my lipsticks and then make them lip glosses because like lip balms are also skincare. While they're doing things, they like also look good. A gloss fixes everything.
Ooh, I love it.
Thank you. I'm done. This is our look. So this was my latte look.
And this is my soft romantic makeup look.
I really like it. Aishwarya. Good
I
job.
really like your makeup look. Especially the lip shade. I think I'm gonna try it.
So did you have fun, Aishwarya?
I had lots and lots of fun. This was so much fun. Like I really liked like getting ready with my girlfriends. And this was so much fun. We should do it again sometime soon.
Yes, let's do it.
Yes.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell notification if you want to see any of our new videos and be notified for everything that we put out on our channel. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. First they shame you, then they follow you.